Chopra studies. Hair frizz is one common problem that most of us face, whether you have short hair or long hair, especially after all that coloring, bleaching, blow drying, ironing and whatnot. Hair tends to lose its natural moisture and become very unruly, tangled and frizzy. So to control the frizz, detangle without much breakage, and also to make the hair grow, a fortifying leave-in serum can be used. So today I'm going to show you a quick DIY fermented rice water and rosemary leave-in serum for hair growth and frizz control.
So to make the fermented rice water leave-in hair serum, we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic rice. Fermented rice water has cell renewal properties that make new hair cells and reverse damages done by chemical and heat treatments. Wash the rice to get rid of dirt and impurities. Once the rice is clean, fill some clean water. Now we gotta soak this rice for up to 30 hours. Fermented rice water develops a special yeast called Pitera, which has cell renewal properties. So the rice is done. Now filling 50 ml of this fermented rice water into a spray bottle. Frizzy hair needs nourishment, and what better than using deep nourishing Moroccan argan oil. Using my favorite Soulflower cold pressed Moroccan argan oil. The best part about argan oil is that it is super nourishing and is yet very light, which doesn't weigh the hair down, and thus is ideal to be used as a hair serum. Soulflower cold pressed argan oil is a 100% pure, natural, vegan and cruelty-free product. Soulflower also is an EcoCert Cosmos organic certified brand. Adding one more of my favorite into this fortifying hair serum, and that is the rosemary essential oil. Guys, rosemary essential oil is such an underrated oil. It works great for hair growth and controls dandruff instantly. Using 10 to 12 drops of Soulflower rosemary essential oil. It will also add a beautiful fresh fragrance to our serum. Give it all a good shake. Our fortifying rice water and rosemary hair serum is totally ready now. This could be used for a variety of concerns. Spray some after shampoo and conditioning your hair, also before detangling and brushing. It just makes the detangling part super easy. All the knots will disappear in one go. Best part is that this fortifying serum provides strength to hair before any heat styling or heat treatment, like before you go for any blow dry or ironing. Just spray some and you're good to go.
So my angels, I hope you enjoyed this video and will try out this DIY fortifying leave-in serum on your hair. Do try it out and let me know how did it work for you in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the products used in the video are linked in the description box, so do check them out. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.